Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the earbuds and phone. This is crucial. Put both JBL Wave 300 TWS in the charging case and confirm at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions during reset. Once done, remove both buds to power them on automatically. If a bud doesn't wake, press and hold its button for 2 seconds to force power on. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is open so you can forget the device later. That step comes next and ensures a clean reset. Now you remove the old pairing. This is the how and the why. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings, locate JBL Wave 300 TWS, and tap Forget or Unpair. This clears stored profiles. Next, with both earbuds out and powered on, press and hold both buttons for about 10 seconds until the LEDs blink or change pattern. That triggers the factory reset. Then place them back in the case, close it, and wait about 30 seconds. Reopen the case to allow the buds to reboot and enter pairing mode. Finish by pairing and verifying operation. With the case open and earbuds in pairing mode, open Bluetooth on your phone and select JBL Wave 300 TWS from available devices. You'll hear a tone when connected. Make sure audio routing works and both sides play. If pairing fails, power cycle both your phone and the earbuds, then repeat the reset sequence. Sometimes a fresh start fixes lingering state problems. If problems persist, try pairing with another device to rule out phone-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.